You like that?
I like that.
Oh my
That looks so beautiful.
Oh my goodness, I'm looking at the camera through that.
That looks like a fast break. Like I'm just me. Wide open for the. Okay. Hey, what's good, YouTube? My beautiful brothers and sisters, my beautiful souls, my Zen masters. Here with my boy Nairobi.
We back.
We getting a little dunk session in. You already know. We've been putting in the work. We finna show y'all some dunks. Finna show y'all how hard we've been working, bro.
Yeah, what
honestly,
we really do.
This is what we do.
How much we really put in.
Oh God. But we're gonna, bro, I'm so out of breath. We've been like jumping for a little bit. But pertaining to my channel, me and him, we finna make some 2v2 videos against some people.
Oh, yeah. Stay tuned.
Just stay tuned. We finna get it hella videos all 2021. I'm telling you, we getting on our shit. We grinding all day.
Non-stop.
But shit, we gonna get some dunks for y'all. Let me get one for the intro.
For the intro? For the intro? Huh.
Criminal, looking at me like a criminal. When I'm being the one I should be in this life for free. My life in office and nobody.
Listen to a friend, cause me gonna tell you everything on my mind, man, no pretend. See, I'm only a messenger for the message, and I want you to listen up to the message. It's time for me and you to bring some unity internationally. This time, at this point in my life, I'm focused on the highway. Now listen to no lie. Cause I'm in love with this feeling, yeah, yeah. I'm in love with this feeling, yeah, yeah. It's about time. I'm never gonna lose me vibe. Cause me up on me team, so me realize that I'm standing on the top. Focus on my mind and my ascension never stop. It's your time, so just listen. Cause I'm only a messenger to tell you just listen. Cause it could be this way and then it could be that way. It could be today or maybe some other day. See, it's time for me and you to bring some unity internationally. I know.
Looking at me like a criminal. When I'm being the one I should be in this life for free. My life in office and nobody.
Call me a friend and you have to listen to a friend. Cause me gonna tell you everything on my mind, man, no pretend. See, I'm only a messenger for the message, and I want you to listen up to the message. It's time for me and you to bring some unity internationally. This time, at this point in my life, I'm focused on the highway. Now listen to no lie. Cause I'm in love with this feeling, yeah, yeah. I'm in love with this feeling, yeah, yeah. It's about time. time. I'm never gonna lose me vibe, cause me up on me things, so me realize that me standing on the top. Focus on my mind and my ascension never stop. It's your time, so just listen, cause I'm only a messenger to tell you just listen. Cause it could be this way and then it could be that way. It could be today or maybe some other day. See, it's time for me and you to bring some unity. Internet.
Alright, so what's good? I just realized while I was editing this video, I didn't make an outro, so here's my outro. Leave a like, subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down below with what y'all want to see next. Go check out my last video. I'm going to have an update on my first week of reselling video games and how my profits have been. But to the actual topic, the main reason I made this video was to show y'all that y'all can do anything that y'all put y'all's mind to. A couple months ago, I tried to make my first dunking video. I didn't get one dunk. I was devastated. But that fueled me. That shit made me want to go way harder. That shit made me want to go 10 times harder. And look at the progress. I'm getting better. Caught my first oop in this video, my first lob to myself. And it's crazy because I remember days whenever I never believed that I could even touch rim. My knee pain was so bad I could barely run up and down the court. Like, it's crazy how once you put your mind to something and you're focused on it and you're putting all your energy into it, you start residing on that vibration of what you want. That's whenever blessings just come in bundles. Blessings come from all over the place. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Much more content on 2021. I'm grinding this year. I'm telling you. We reaching a K. We about to reach 100 subscribers. We reaching a K this year. I'm telling you. Over a K. So, come on, join the Zen Masters. Join the Zen Masters, you feel me? And let's just grind together, bro. Let's just get this working. Let's become the best person we want to be. Fuck what anybody else thinks. Nobody can give you advice on your life. Nobody can give you advice on your life. It's your life. You create your own life. You can be anything you want to be if you just put your mind to it. I believe in you. All you got to do is believe in yourself. But anyways, hope y'all have a beautiful week, beautiful month, I hope blessings are just coming your way, bro. I love you. I'll see you on the next one, bro.